Hello dear students, how are you today? Today we have Sound, Unit 7, Lesson 2. The subject is pronunciation of ED. We know that we add ED to make a verb to change a verb from present to past. ED has 3 different sounds at the end of the verbs. One of them is id, just like wanted, and t, just like looked, and d, just like cleaned. At the end of words, ed has these 3 different sounds. If a word ended with t or d, when we add ed, ed is pronounced as id. These examples: want and end, they ended in t and d, so when we add ed, the sound of ed becomes id. Wanted, ended. If a word ended with p, k, f, gh, sh, she, ch, double s, c, or z, when you add ed, ed is pronounced as t, just like in these examples: helped, looked, washed, watched, laughed, sniffed, breathed, kissed, danced, fixed. All these words, they ended with these sounds. We given them from the beginning. When we add ed, the sound of ed becomes t. And if a word ended with l, n, r, g, v, s, w, y, m, or a vowel sound, when we add ed, the sound of ed is d. Just like in these examples: called, called, cleaned, offered, damaged, loved, used, followed, enjoyed, amazed, claimed. The sound of ed at the end of these words is d. Let's review it. Ed at the end of words has 3 different sounds: id, like wanted, t, like looked, and d, just like cleaned. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.